At the edge of the moors you get this like semi-reforested area where the gorse bushes have had little thorn trees seeding into them, and they've got a bit bigger, and now bigger trees are starting to seed into those, and you've got this kind of shrubby forest in patches like this. And when it was just bare grass you could see right across it, but now it's all sort of like a place you have to explore, and footpaths go through these tangly bushes, and it makes it loads more interesting. It's all like a gradual process. Now bigger trees like oaks and birch are seeding into this, and eventually it will all be a forest like some bits are. Usually like the bottoms of valleys, it's all like established full-on forest now, and it sort of starts in the valleys and it spreads up. This is quite high up on a hilltop here, and it's just nearly all like this, gorse, little shrub trees, and it's makes a good environment for many types of birds and wildlife, because you've got a total blend of environments. You've got little bits of grass, little bits of gorse bush, bits of shrub forest, bits of bigger trees. So it's a very diverse environment, and it's a really interesting place to go for a walk, because you've got loads of different paths going in different directions, and you can't really see where you're going like you could when it was just grass. Some of the more common trees like rowan trees, like this one, and we've got some crab apples and hawthorns, and there's blackthorns and hazels, and then amongst them just the odd little oak and birch just growing up through it. And you do get quite a lot of different plants growing here. You get plants that like growing under the trees, and you get sort of meadowland plants as well. So you get them all sort of growing really close together, side by side, on the different environments here. It's still kind of asleep here at the moment, because it's higher up. Summer comes later here, spring comes later, so none of the trees have really started budding here yet, like they have on the lowlands. And likewise, they always lose their leaves sooner as well, because it's just all colder and higher up. But pretty soon, with loads of flowers all coming up under the trees, loads of the trees will start budding, and spring will arrive on the highlands area.